Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Learn with Ease. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file into Word. Have you ever seen a PDF document and you ever wonder if you can ever edit them for free? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Alright, it's free and simple, very simple. Alright, so you have a .pdf file. Okay, in this video let's use this for an example. So I want to edit this PDF file, and there's no way I can edit it without converting it to Word document. So what to do is to right click on the file, the file you want to edit, right click on it, then open with, then you click on Word, and wait for it to open. Alright, so it brings out this notification, then you click OK. Now it's converting to Word. Alright, so here we go, simple and fast. So we have our PDF document opened in Word, so I can edit and delete, I can add, as you can see, add as much as I can add, I can delete, I can edit, and I can save. So that's it guys, simple and short. That's how you can edit your PDF file or document. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Please subscribe so that you get more of these tricks and tutorials. Also share to your friends and family, make them to subscribe to let the community grow. Thank you. See you in our next tutorial.